Okay, Jenny, are you ready to de-stress your diet? The recipes we'll explore today will help you build up a stockpile of resilience so you can restore and refuel to meet your day head on. I'm very excited about these simple and very tasty recipes that can help you decrease inflammation in your body and improve your gut microbiome. Long-term stress can put you into a state of inflammation, which can fan the flame of chronic diseases like insulin resistance, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. But the food you eat can help build your immune system and dial down the chronic inflammation in your body. So let's start by spotlighting our avocado white bean toast.
Okay, first of all, I have to tell you, all the things we've chosen today are on the list of my favorites. So I'm just going to put that out there right away.
You know what? I agree. And I really love this avocado toast. So I'm going to have us kind of taste this and see what you think of the toast.
So Sharlyn, the thing that caught me about the avocado toast, a couple of things. One, that we have the cannellini beans that have been added. And so for me, it changed the consistency, but I also felt like it was a heartier option. And then topping it with mushrooms, come on.
I know, grilled mushrooms.
That's it. How could you get better than that? So right away, you got me with both of those options.
I agree, and the fiber that the beans bring to this meal, and you can have this for breakfast. When you tried it, did you eat it for breakfast?
So actually, I tried this at night, and truth be told, I added 1 scrambled egg in with the mushrooms, so I put the scrambled eggs.
Ooh.
It was really, really good.
Well, I'll tell you what I did. Dive in. I put this in a corn tortilla. I just put the avocado and white beans in a corn tortilla with the mushrooms, and it was so good on a corn tortilla. It's more filling, right?
Absolutely.
And you know that avocados are great because of the potassium they have, but they bring with them a high calorie density per bite, right? So the beans help kind of ease that, and they add more fiber so that a little bit of avocado goes a long way. So I'm going to take a bite.
So I can tell that there is a little bit of kick to this, which I added cayenne. When I made mine, I put cayenne pepper. I could get you a napkin too. I added cayenne pepper, which was nice, but I feel like there's a little additional kick. Is there something else in there?
Well, we put a little salsa in there. So it's a lot easier than cutting up tomatoes and onions, just to put a tablespoon or 2 of salsa in there. So
I really would eat this breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Well, you know, another thing we didn't even mention is there's spinach in here.
Right.
So you get all the extra nutrition, the magnesium, all the nutrition that comes with leafy greens, which are one of the most nutritious foods that we can really eat. So the next recipe is so simple. You can make it with only 2 ingredients. So would you like to try these yogurt?
I should have kept my napkin.
I know.
My napkins, I know I need
it. Messy. They're frozen blueberries, so it's yogurt covered blueberries put in the freezer. So easy. But we have a little flair here we've added.
So this one was cocoa.
We sprinkled cocoa on the top.
This one has a little tiny bit of cinnamon.
Yes.
And these are plain. But I will tell you, first of all, before we dive in, I love this idea from just a snack, because I'm a snacker and sometimes I like something just a little bit sweet. And having the blueberries, so when I tried it, I did not try the cocoa, I did try the cinnamon. So I'm anxious, so I'm going to go with that one first. If you're
try the cocoa, because that is very good. And it's just a little bit sprinkled on top. And it's so delicate, it looks so great, but it's so tasty.
So when I first tried these, they were frozen solid. I kind of like where they're just a little bit less frozen, because that flavor of the blueberry really comes out to me.
Well, the next thing we've got here, infused waters.
Sharlyn, I mean, look at these.
They're beautiful.
They are so beautiful. I think this is such a great way to entice people, myself included, to really stay hydrated and really think about, okay, I need to get my plenty of water in, right? We know how
we're
important.
told that over and over. You need to stay hydrated. But do you do it all the time?
Absolutely not.
I have to force myself.
Me too. And you know what I love is we tried, in my opinion, because I think there's the standard, okay, I'm going to squeeze a little lemon in my water. But the combination of what we put together, I think, is pretty ingenious.
Well, and we also, something that that is a little unusual is we also used sparkling water in some of these. So if you like sparkling water, we use sparkling water in some of these recipes too.
All right, so I have to take a sip.
Okay, one of the most interesting to us is grapefruit and rosemary. So I'm gonna try that with you and see how that tastes. What do you think?
Wow, now I love rosemary. I have
Wow.
never put rosemary in my infused water.
That
Have
is
you tried that?
surprisingly delicious.
It's really, really good, especially with the sparkling.
It is very good. I'm gonna save that because I plan to drink
That's-
it.
Yes,
Done.
I'll put mine aside too. What are our other choices? Oh yeah,
We have blueberry and oranges with lavender, and it's gorgeous. The little lavender flowers are gorgeous. So
And again, have you ever put lavender in your water?
this was the first time looking for recipes for
Me too.
this show.
Me too, but just again, it's gorgeous.
It's
to look
beautiful.
at.
Oh, see, that is really good. I would drink this.
Definitely, but I would do that too.
Mm-hmm.
So far,
Okay, this
Two
is
for
the
two.
flat water. This is regular water.
Okay, regular
So
old
no
water.
kick to this regular water,
it's
but
not
still
ready.
good.
Look at how
I know,
it's
right?
already the color is so pretty.
And these infused waters, they just take 30 to 60 minutes, really. Even 15 minutes, you're gonna get a really good flavor. Maybe we could have a party and have all of these 3 things at a party.
I love it. Look, well, it's colorful too. Right?
It's beautiful.
it's definitely a great option.
We've got a lot left to eat. But I hope these recipes will help you change up your regular routine and give you a few ideas of how you can add simple, healthy, and delicious foods into your daily routine. And it looks like Jenny and I have some work to do to finish up all this food.
I think we can do it.
I think we can too. You can find all of the recipes you see here on the Silver Sneakers Show, including today's recipes on our blog at silversneakers.com/show. And I believe that Jenny and I will drink to that